Japan has a rich and diverse culture and outstanding local cuisine. For visitors to Japan, the culinary experience is truly unforgettable every time. Today, you'll discover the best dishes to eat in Kyoto, Osaka, and Tokyo during your long-awaited trip to Japan. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and then you're all set for a mouth-watering journey. Kyoto. Kyoto is renowned for its Kaiseki cuisine, which consists of multiple courses featuring seasonal ingredients prepared in traditional ways. Dishes typically include sashimi, pickled vegetables, simmered fish, steamed rice, and a miso soup. In addition to Kaiseki restaurants, many places serve delicious regional specialties such as Yudofu, tofu cooked in hot water, or Kyo-Zushi sweets made from bean paste. Let's discover the 3 recipes you have to try while in Kyoto. Kaiseki Kyori. Kaiseki Kyori, a traditional multi-course meal, is a culinary experience unique to Kyoto. It has its roots in the tea ceremony. The dishes are typically served on small trays with intricate details that reflect the season, such as cherry blossoms or maple leaves. Ingredients are fresh and seasonal, and the courses usually include sashimi, tempura, simmered dishes, miso soup, and pickles. Kaiseki Kyori is meant to be enjoyed slowly over time, with each dish savored for its flavor and presentation. Yudofu. Yudofu is a simple yet flavorful dish made by simmering pieces of tofu in a pot of hot water, seasoned with kombu seaweed dashi broth until it becomes soft and tender. It is then served with grated ginger or green onions as garnish. It's an incredibly popular vegan recipe that can be found throughout Japan, but has special significance in Kyoto due to its abundance of temples which offer vegetarian meals like Yudofu to their visitors during religious festivals or other occasions throughout the year. Kyo-Zushi. Kyoto sushi. Kyo-Zushi is an adaptation of classic sushi, made using locally sourced ingredients from Kyoto, such as red snapper caught off the Amano Hashidate Bay or conger eel caught off Lake Biwa, instead of more commonly used fish like tuna or salmon that are found elsewhere in Japan. The type of sushi varies depending on what's available at any given time, but it usually consists of nigiri-style sushi featuring vinegared rice topped with raw fish, cooked seafood, egg omelette, vegetables, or tofu. Osaka. Moving from Kyoto to Osaka, the essence of Japanese food doesn't change. It's still very much delicious. Osaka is known as Japan's kitchen due to its variety of local specialties and the vibrant street food culture, with many stalls selling snacks around the city. What shouldn't you miss while in Osaka? Let's find out. Number 1. Takoyaki. Takoyaki is a popular snack made of wheat flour-based batter filled with pieces of octopus and cooked in a special pan until golden brown on the outside and soft on the inside. It's usually served with various condiments like mayonnaise, okonomiyaki sauce, dried bonito flakes, or green onions as garnish. The dish is believed to have originated in Osaka during the 1930s, when street vendors began selling it as an alternative to grilled octopus, which was too expensive for most people at the time. Today, it's one of the city's signature dishes and can be found throughout Japan, but it has special significance within Osaka due to its popularity among the locals and tourists. Number 2. Okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a savory pancake-like dish made from ingredients such as cabbage, eggs, pork belly, seafood, noodles, or vegetables mixed together before being fried on both sides until crispy. It's often topped with okonomiyaki sauce, similar to Worcestershire, mayonnaise, or katsuobushi. The origins are in post-war Osaka, where food was scarce, so people combined whatever ingredients they had into one meal. Nowadays, it's considered a staple part of Osakan cuisine, enjoyed by locals and visitors alike all year round. Number 3. Kushikatsu. Kushikatsu is a traditional skewer featuring bite-sized pieces of meat, fish, or vegetables coated in panko breadcrumbs before being fried until golden brown, and served with tonkatsu sauce and grated radish as condiments. This famous street food originated in Osaka during the 1930s, when a local restaurant began selling it to customers who wanted something quick and easy to eat while out drinking. Today, it's still one of the city's most beloved dishes. Tokyo. From Osaka to Tokyo for the last leg of our Japanese culinary adventure. Tokyo's traditional cuisine mixes Japanese, Chinese, and Western influences. Sushi and tempura are two classic dishes originating from the city. At the same time, ramen noodles have become increasingly popular in recent years. Let's discover together the 3 absolute must-try recipes. Number 1. Sushi. Thin slices of raw fish served on top of vinegar rice are probably the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about Japanese cuisine. Sushi has its origins in Tokyo, where it was invented in the 1820s by Hanaya Yohei, who started serving his version at an outdoor stand near Tsukiji Fish Market. Since then, sushi has become an integral part of Tokyo culture, with different types such as nigiri, maki, chirashi, and more. It's now a staple part of Japanese cuisine, enjoyed domestically and abroad, where it has become tremendously popular. Number 2. Ramen. Ramen is a type of noodle soup made from wheat noodles cooked in a broth flavored with either pork, chicken, or seafood stock before being topped with various ingredients, like sliced pork, boiled egg, seaweed flakes, or vegetables. The dish is believed to have originated during the Meiji era, when Chinese immigrants brought their own version, which eventually evolved in what we know today as ramen. Nowadays, countless variations are available throughout Japan, each featuring unique flavors, so it can take some time to choose just one favorite. Number 3. Tempura. Tempura is made by pieces of seafood or vegetables coated in a light batter made from flour, eggs, and water before being deep-fried until golden brown and crispy. It is believed to have originated in the early Edo period, when Portuguese missionaries introduced their own version of deep-fried food to Japan. Since then, it has become an integral part of Japanese cuisine, with different types available depending on personal preference, such as ebi tempura with shrimp or yasai tempura with vegetables. It's often served with a special dipping sauce made from dashi broth, soy sauce, and mirin, which helps bring out its flavor even more. Have you ever been to Japan? Check out our travel plan for Tokyo and Osaka using the links below. Do remember to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the following video. Ciao!